Let's come to Salset.
Yeah.
Now that's a very interesting proposition from Lok Sabha point of view also आणि असेंब्ली पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ऑल्सो. आज बीजेपी म्हणटा की आमचे कडेन साश्टीक आमदार असतात. त्याचबरोबर ते म्हणटात की वी आर नॉट व्हेरी मच कन्सर्न अबाउट सालसेत बिकॉज सालसेत इज कंप्लिटली डिवायडेड टुडे, फ्रॅगमेंटेड टुडे. थंय काँग्रेसूय आसा, थंय आपय आसा, थंय इंडिपेंडंटूय आसा आणि आज थंय बीजेपी आसा. सो दे हॅव MLA इन नावेली टुडे. आज ते म्हणटा की मडगांवां भितर आमचे कडेन स्ट्रॉंग लिडर आसा. Do you think this bastion of Congress, once bastion of Congress, is no longer with your party now?
See, I disagree with what you say. If you look at Salset, yes, I would say that the BJP was successful in dividing the votes. But in Salset, today I am the only Salset MLA. Today, currently out of 8.
Yeah.
But these guys have taken a VRS. Current MLAs from Salset who have gone, according to me, have taken a VRS. It is very difficult for them to get elected again. And the people...
You are saying even Digambar Kamath would not get elected in Margao. That's a big statement, Yuri.
See, I am saying very clearly that the people of Salset and South Goa will teach these leaders a lesson. I'm not specifically taking any name. I'm saying
the name I took is included in the group. No?
So that you take it that way, but I am saying that the people are of Salset. जे म्हाका दिसता म्हाका उगडास येता मिशन Salset मू
ह्या खेपेक ताणें मिशन सालसेत म्हणनासतना मिशन सालसेत केलें.
हय तें डे लायट सारकी मर्डर मरे डेमोक्रेसीची.
But tell me one thing, don't you think that people of Salset also have lost their faith in Congress? कारण आज तुवेंच सांगलें, one MLA in Salset of the Congress party, very difficult to be in power or at least even in a commanding position in a political space.
See, currently what is the agenda? To them, BJP is the organization we need to target to. They are a cadre-based party. I don't believe they have cadre in most of the constituencies in Salset. But yes, there are other political parties that have come in and they are now today elected. We respect that. But by dividing ourselves, we are basically giving advantage to the BJP. So we have to, that is what I am saying, we have to, but there is 4.5 वर्सां हाय ती इलेक्शन आहे.
लोकसभा इलेक्शनय आसा. फाल्यां जर लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक जर तुमी सगळे जाण आपल्याला कॅन्डिडेट घालपाक लागले.
See, that is why आमी कित करूं जाय. See, you agree that the Congress is the principal opposition party. There is no doubt about it. We've got 24% of vote share. How else can you have a medium to discuss that? So, definitely we have to work together. We have to work together, all the opposition political parties, so that BJP is shown the door. But will it happen is $1 million question.
Yeah, absolutely. But you are today seeing up, even RG, of course, Goa Forward, as potential allies.
See, with RG, I feel Jay Amdar Viresh, he is a very simple guy and he's got Goa first in his agenda. He's very innocent and a very vociferous leader. I see him to be, in the coming years, to fight for Goa. With regards to Aam Aadmi Party, जे दोन्ही leader आहे, they also were vociferous. They took up several issues. And Vijay म्हाका दिसता, he has shown the way. There is no doubt about it. And he's been there. So definitely we will all work, even Elton and Amge Carlos. We will work even more vociferously in the assembly at least. जे हे amendment आता है, जे रात्यां जे ordinance जाता है, हे सगळे बंद जावपा जाय. ही हुकुमशाही बंद जावपा जाय जाल्यार आमी एकठांय जावपा जाय.
एकठांय जावपा जाय म्हणटना I am going beyond assembly. Do you think there is a need for an electoral alliance?
No, definitely, if you look at the current trend, there is a need, but you have to be reasonable.
Correct. That the nuts and bolts can be worked out later, but you are saying that conceptually there has to be all opposition parties on one platform.
See, I believe that the Congress party had an alliance with the Goa Forward Party, and it also, Aam Aadmi Party were also asked to be part of it, but they didn't want to be part of it. So I feel that is not in Goa's interest to divide. We have to work together, and that should be the agenda in the future.
Yuri, my final question. You have stayed here how difficult is it to be in the opposition with this kind of a scenario around?
No, see, I feel for me it was a very emotional moment, because I be very young. But the thing is, I have seen these things all through as a young child or a youth. I've seen these governments happening, Gotai, Fotai. I've seen all this and I've heard these things in the past. But yes, I feel that I've created some respect in the hearts of Goans. From the phone calls from all parts of Goa, from my constituency, and I feel that I said that I've some respect in the eyes of my child. I've got a daughter who's 6 years old and a son also who's 3 months old. So I feel that tomorrow no one can question them, and I've done it for the future generations of Goa. We need to fight these destructive projects that are coming. And that is only going to happen that we need to have a clear vision. And I'm proud today that, and I'm confident, I must tell you, Pramod, that the Congress party will definitely bounce back. And it is not something, MLA Gelmo party ka baz hai na, the ideology doesn't die. Definitely we will bounce back and we will come back.
इतल्याचे थांबता म्हजो वेळ सारको सोंपला. दोनूच गजाली की तुमी जे सांगले की घरा कडेन वचून आपल्याल्या भुरग्यांच्या दोळ्यांत दोळे घालून पळोवपाची मॉरल ऑथॉरिटी
Yes.
एक पेरंट्स म्हण जर आमचे कडेन आहा जाल्यार आमी तशें वागचेंय पडटलें आनी तसो तूं वागला. सो हें म्हाका दिसता प्रत्येक राजकारण्यान जर तकल्याक धरलें आमचे अर्दा वयर राजकारणी आनी अर्दा वयर राजकारण सुदारतलें. आनी त्याच बरोबर वी नीड अ व्हेरी गूड फंक्शनल ओपोजिशन फॉर अ गूड फंक्शनल डेमोक्रेसी. तो रोल आता तुमच्याच भुजार आसा. देर आर 3 ऑफ यू. तुम्ही आसात, कालूस बाब आसात, एल्टन आसात. सो फ्रॉम दॅट पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह वी एक्सपेक्ट यू टू परफॉर्म इन द असेंब्ली.
Yes.
अँड ऑल द बेस्ट. पळोवया की डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर खूब जाण वतात. तुम्ही सांगला की ओपोजिशना रावन सुद्दां खूब गजाली करपाक शकतात. ताजें एक उदाहरण तुम्ही तयार करतले इतलेंच मागता.